Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Old Harbor Main Road from Spanish Town to Innswood. So we just went around or came off the Old Harbor Road roundabout and we are heading towards Innswood. So on the right is the Homestead Primary School. This is a school that was in the news the other day about, I think, a student threw stones into the classroom, and then the reporters came a few days later and were doing a story, and there was some incident between the reporters and persons in the neighborhood. So this is the Homestead area. So this is the main road that takes you onto the south coast of Jamaica. You have an alternative route on the highway, Highway 2000 east-west leg, which is known as the PJ Patterson Highway. But that's a toll road, so you have to pay to use that road. But this road is the main road, and before the highways were built, this was the only way to get out of the city of Kingston and head on to the south coast. So this road takes you to the major towns are Old Harbor, then you would go to Maypen, then Mandeville, then Santa Cruz, then Savlamar, and then that's the south coast of Jamaica. Those are the main roads on the main towns on the main road. So we're heading in the direction of Old Harbor. This is now the Willardine area that we're going through. So between Spanish Town and Old Harbor, it's a very built up area, very populated, a lot of business places, because Spanish Town was the capital of Jamaica. It's a very old town. It's over 400 years old. So it's very developed, and then you have on the outskirts, the town is basically developed. So on the outskirts of the town now, you have a lot of residential communities. So between Spanish Town and Old Harbor, you find a lot of residential communities. And then you have these small areas that support residential districts. So we're now coming up on the Innswood area, And Innswood has a lot of residential communities, modern developments that are gated communities. Very nice, very nicely done. This is one of those developments we were talking about. So turn left here now and you go down to more developments, residential homes. This is a new gas station, Blaze. They have a few locations. And then this is Chedwin Park over here. And then this is another housing development on the left. And they're going to be doing another development on the right.